Meet the Typhon TERROR XIII STORM mini excavator compact, powerful and perfect for small-scale construction projects. With a 15-30 mm minimum radius, it's ideal for confined areas. Versatile and multifunctional compact. Yet powerful, 13.5 HP engine delivers smooth, reliable performance on every project. Easy to operate with a max digging depth of 1710 mm and bucket capacity of 0.025 cbm. Why choose Typhon? Reliable, durable machinery backed by expertise and cutting-edge tech. Ready for your next project? The Typhon TERROR XIII STORM, your go-to mini excavator for small-scale success.